Alright, okay, for today's video, we will discuss our first computer programming 1 lesson. For our lesson 1, we will discuss about what is programming language. But before that, let's define first what is a computer. When we search in Google, so a computer is an electronic device that manipulates informations or data. It has ability to store, retrieve, and process data. But we can also define computer is an electronic device that is capable to do 3 primary functions. So what are they? We have the input, process, and output. So when we say input, it is receiving informations. So meaning, ito yung pagtanggap ng data. So it accepts the data and instructions from the users. Next, we have process. So when we say process, it is manipulating the data or process the data. So magdidepende yung pag-process based on the user input, no, or according to the instructions. Next, we have the output. So, when we say output, it is providing the result. So, ito yung pagbibigay o pagpapakita ng resulta. Itong tatlo na ito, it is the primary functions of a computer. Okay, do you think that is a calculator a computer? So, balikan natin yung definition ng computer. So, si calculator ba ay isang electronic device? Yes. Si calculator ba ay capable to do the 3 primary functions? Yes. So meaning, a calculator is a computer. How about smartphone? Balik na naman tayo sa definition ng computer. Si smartphone ba ay isang electronic device? Yes. Si smartphone ba ay capable to do the 3 primary function? Yes. Meaning, si smartphone din naman ay isa ring computer. So, since na-define na natin what is a computer, so let's proceed. What is programming? Programming is the act of writing instructions that tells to the computer what to do. So, meaning, is the act of writing instructions. So, when we say instructions, it is program or applications. So, meaning, to create program or applications, we need to write code. Magdidepende kung ano yung gagawin mong applications, no? Meron siyang sets of instructions. Kaya nga sa ating programming, meron tayong lecture at saka laboratory. Kasi, yung programming subject ay skill-based. So, meaning, mag-a-actual tayo to create or to familiarize or memorizing the keywords, but we need to actual or program para makagawa tayo ng isang application. So, since alam na natin yung definition or na-define na natin si computer at saka programming, so, okay, what is programming language? A programming language is a system of rules and symbols for writing computer instructions, enabling programmers to create code that perform tasks and manipulates the data. So for example, include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. So meaning, ito si programming language, ito yung gagamitin natin to create a program or applications. So meron tayong mga programming language, no? Based on our slide. So, meron tayong Python, Java, at saka C++ and JavaScript. Okay, but for our computer programming 1, yung pag-aaralan natin ay si Python language. No? So, we will discuss Python language sa susunod natin na lesson. Okay, just review the video. What is computer, what is programming, at saka ano yung programming language.